Proposing to someone special is a monumental moment. Mark here plans to make it unforgettable with a home-cooked dinner. Mark, can you walk us through your initial plan?
Certainly, I decided to propose to Anna tonight, and to make it extra special, I wanted to cook dinner myself. This is a first for me since I rarely set foot in a kitchen.
That sounds challenging yet exciting. Were you confident in choosing the menu? Many find that a well-thought-out meal sets the perfect ambience for such occasions.
That's one of the first hurdles I faced. I wanted something fancy yet manageable. After consulting Anna's brother Jesus, we opted for a pasta dish and a sweet dessert.
Did you consider any dietary preferences or culinary mishaps, given the gravity of the night? Oh yes, the supermarket trip was quite an expedition. With aisles of endless options, figuring out what to buy was overwhelming at first.
Supermarkets can be daunting. Did you have any strategies to tackle this? Maybe sticking to a checklist or prior advice from someone experienced helped?
Exactly. I relied heavily on a list Jesus helped me create. For instance, we prioritized fresh produce like tomatoes and garlic for an authentic sauce. Navigating through multiple onion choices was another unexpected challenge.
Finding the right ingredients can indeed be tricky. Have you come across research showing how lack of familiarity with ingredients can elevate grocery shopping stress? Perhaps studies measuring cognitive overload while shopping.
Interestingly, I've read that decision fatigue often kicks in when faced with myriad choices. It echoes the importance of preparation. Next time, I might even map my route through the store like expert shoppers do. Cooking for a proposal dinner is a heartfelt gesture. It can also be nerve-wracking. How did you manage in the kitchen, especially as a novice?
I was both nervous and excited. Keeping it simple was key. I made sure to have a step-by-step plan. Preparing spaghetti with shrimp and buying a pre-made dessert eased some pressure.
Pre-made items can save time and reduce stress. However, some argue that homemade dishes convey a deeper personal touch. Did you consider baking anything yourself?
Definitely considered it, but the risk of burning the kitchen down was too high. Instead, I opted for chocolate-covered strawberries, romantic yet manageable. It's about striking a balance between effort and skill level.
Looking ahead, do you think this experience sparked a potential interest in cooking? Many find culinary adventures lead to new hobbies.
After this, I think I'm inspired to explore more recipes. It transforms cooking from a chore into a creative endeavor, especially when driven by special motivations.
The proposal itself must have been a tense, yet beautiful moment. How did the dinner and setting contribute to your big question?
The atmosphere was perfect. As we sat in candlelight with dinner served, every effort felt worthwhile. Her surprise and joy made the moment unforgettable.
Statistics suggest proposals are more memorable with personalized elements, like home-cooked meals. Were there any unexpected moments or challenges during the proposal?
Her initial flustered no threw me off but quickly turned into a heartfelt yes. It was a roller coaster of emotions, reminding me to expect the unexpected in life's poignant moments.
Finally, as you embark on this new journey together, what future plans do you have as a couple, especially regarding celebrations and shared experiences?
We're planning for a small, intimate wedding. Moving forward, I am thrilled about the many anniversaries, each with its own culinary experiment to create beautiful memories.